In the heart of the holy city Mecca, where millions gather for the annual pilgrimage of Hajj, stories of compassion and selflessness unfold, often unnoticed. Among the pilgrims was Fatima, a devoted mother who traveled from Algeria with her son, Ahmed, whose health was frail. As they stood under the scorching sun, ready to perform tawaf, the circumambulation of the Kaaba, other pilgrims noticed Ahmed struggling. A fellow pilgrim from Indonesia named Yusuf, seeing Ahmed's difficulty, approached Fatima with a wheelchair he rented at his own expense. Gratefully, Fatima accepted, enabling Ahmed to complete tawaf with ease. This gesture of kindness did not end there, as Yusuf insisted on accompanying them throughout the remaining rites, ensuring Ahmed was comfortable and safe. On another day, as pilgrims gathered on the plains of Arafat, a place of spiritual reflection, an elderly pilgrim from Nigeria named Khalid tripped and fell. Instantly, a group of Turkish pilgrims rushed to his aid. They formed a human shield, offering protection from the bustling crowd, and helped him stay upright for the prayers, which are among the most important aspects of Hajj. Nearby, a Syrian pilgrim named Layla noticed the queues for water were long and wearying under the intense heat. She, along with her friends, began distributing bottled water they had bought in excess, ensuring every thirsty pilgrim was relieved. Their simple yet profound gesture reflected the unity and brotherhood shared by those on this spiritual journey. The sacred act of sacrificing animals was nearing, and many pilgrims lacked the knowledge or were unable to afford this ritual. A group from Egypt organized funds and resources, offering to perform the sacrifice on behalf of fellow pilgrims. They exemplified the spirit of sharing and fulfilling the rites of Hajj for those they barely knew before this pilgrimage. These hidden acts of kindness are a testament to the collective spirit of Hajj, where the unity of the Ummah shines brilliantly through selfless actions, reminding us that the essence of this journey is not only the rituals, but the love and compassion we extend to each other. The moral of these stories is that the spirit of selflessness and unity among pilgrims during Hajj exemplifies the true essence of Islam, where compassion and kindness transcend boundaries.